Hey guys, what is up? We're back. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so as you can see, I'm outside in the backyard, and today I'm going to be cooking on my Weber kettle grill. I'm going to be making boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and to spice it up, I'm going to be making jerk. Click on the link above and you can learn how to make the jerk chicken sauce, guys. So without further ado, we're going to get right to the cook. Let's get to this grill. Okay guys, see I got my coals going right here. So what I'm getting ready to do is take this. I got my boneless chicken thighs in here. So I'm gonna take them out. Now this is a lot of chicken thighs. I don't know if it's all gonna fit on here, so I may have to do it in batches, but I'm gonna start off on this side. This is the direct side. This is what we call grilling. There's a big debate about grilling and barbecue, and grilling is actually a part of the barbecue family. So we're gonna do a little bit of both because we're gonna cook direct, then we're gonna cook indirect, okay? So here we go. So we're just gonna layer them down. As you can see, got that good spicy jerk seasoning on there. Okay guys, got my chicken thighs on here. As soon as they are ready to move to the other side, I'm going to move them and I'm going to show you how to cook them indirectly. It's nothing that we haven't done before, but they're chicken thighs, so they can withstand heat a little bit better than the chicken breast, and they don't really dry out, okay? All right, so stay tuned guys. We're going to get right back to this. I'm going to start flipping these over. As a matter of fact, all right guys, check it out. So I've got this part on this side that's cooked. Notice this is away from the coals, so this is indirect heat. Now it's not cooked all the way through, but it's got enough char on it. Now once I have all these on this side, I'm going to cover it, let it cook until it's done, and then I'm going to show you the side we're going to make now. Okay guys, so I'm going to get the rest of the meals ready to meal prep. As you see, I'm frying up some bacon. That's about 4 pieces of bacon I chopped up. And I got some broccoli from the grocery store, already bagged, already separated and cut up. So as you can see, I'm going to saute this in that bacon fat to get some really good flavor in there. All right. Doesn't take a lot, but that bacon fat is going to give it a tremendous amount of flavor because steamed broccoli tends to be a little bland. That's why some people shy away from it, but hey, if you can enhance the flavor, why not? Okay, now I'm going to take some salt and some fresh black pepper to this broccoli. Okay, by doing that, it's just a simple seasoning, because remember that bacon fat is going to give you pretty much all of the flavor that you need. I also took a little bit of granulated garlic powder and sprinkled it over the top just to give it an additional flavor profile. Came out really good. I suggest that you guys give this a try. You know I would never steer you wrong. Brother Mike always steers you strong. So take note from this, guys. Cook it however you want it. This is just my suggestion, but this is just an example of how you can make food for your meal prep. So once we're done with this, we're going to move on to actually meal prepping our food. All right, as you can see, I have a container here. Now I bought those from Smart & Final. You can get your own containers to use, but you want to make sure you get a scale. Okay. This is so you can be a little bit more accurate when you're meal prepping, so you know exactly what you're eating and you know exactly what you're putting in your body per the calories and your carbohydrates and your proteins and whatnot. All right, so I've got my jerk chicken there. I've got my broccoli set to the side. I'm going to take a couple of pieces of this chicken and put it into my container. Basically, you're just packing lunches for the week or for a couple of days at a time. All right. Now what you see me doing here on my phone is I have the MyFitnessPal app. I use this app to calculate the food that I'm eating per ounces or per cup. It's a very useful app if you're trying to keep track. So guys, if you want to keep track of your macros, give it a try. If not, it really doesn't matter because these meals are very healthy. So no matter what you're eating, it's still going to make a change in your diet. It's always going to be good and you're going to lose weight if you can just be consistent with your meals and packing your lunches so that you don't have to try and figure out what you're going to eat. That will keep you from going and picking up fast food and eating the things that you know that we're not supposed to eat. So guys, that being said, this is exactly how you meal prep. Put the top on, make a couple, and keep it moving. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm going to taste this food because I have yet to taste it. I know the last time I did it, I put barbecue sauce on it. So today we're just going to take a small piece of some of the jerk chicken thighs. You guys can see that. Alright, gonna taste that. Very good, nice grilled taste. A little bit of kick, but definitely got that jerk seasoning. And I'm gonna take a spoonful of my broccoli and bacon. Let me see here. All you need is salt and pepper. Oh man. Well guys, that's it. If you're new to the channel, stop playing with your life and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new to the channel, we appreciate you for coming back, guys. Remember, this is all meal prep. We're going to be coming with some more videos in the future. We appreciate all of you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next video. I think we're going to be doing some ribs. All right, guys, know I had some requests for some pork rib videos. I'm going to be doing that. And I'm going to be doing more healthy videos in the future because got to get rid of these quarantine gains, y'all. So with that being said, guys, we'll see you in the next video. It's Big Mike signing out with BZ Cooks. Peace.